Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's go ahead and start with blending. I'll say each sound, then you repeat the sound, and then we'll blend the word together. S, p, l, I, t. Split. S, k, r, a, p. Scrap. S, qu, r, l. Let's do that one more time. S, qu, r, l. Squirrel. S, p, l, a, t. Splat. S, t, r, a, t. Straight. Good. All right, we're going to get ready to roller coaster some words, putting an emphasis on the middle vowel sound and then coming back down with the last consonant. Here we go. The word is fan. F-a-n. Get. G-et. Hit. It. Job. Job. But. B-ut. Now we're going to have some long vowel sounds in there. Lane. L-a-n. Feet. Eat. Bite. B-ite. Robe. R-obe. And cute. Cute. Good. All right, now we're going to segment some words. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we're going to chop the word into individual sounds. Squawk. Squawk. Stretch. Stretch. Scrape. Scrape. Squeeze. Squeeze. Splice. Splice. Good. All right, get your fists ready. We're going to substitute some phonemes. The word is clock. Change cl to fl. Flock. The word is snug. Change sn to sl. Slug. The word is skip. Change sk to sn. Snip. The word is slick. Change sl to tr. Trick. The word is trap. Change tr to scr. Scrap. Good. The word is tread. Change tr to br. Bread. Good. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. We'll start with the word part and add a beginning sound. The word is lock. Add b to the beginning. Block. The word is lay. Add k to the beginning. Clay. Get a pencil here so I don't lose my place. The word is raw. Add d to the beginning. Draw. The word is weep. Add s to the beginning. Sweep. Sorry about that. The word is ravel. Add t to the beginning. Travel. Good. Now we are going to remove a blend. So we're going to start with the word, and then we're going to move all these are 3 consonant blends. So blends like spl, scr, squ, spl, and str. Okay, so listen carefully. The word is split. Without spl, the word is it. Good. So we're removing everything right now before the middle vowel. The word is scrape. Without scr, the word is ape. The word is squirrel. Without squ, the word is earl. The word is splat. Without spl, the word is at. The word is straight. Without str, the word is 8. Good job today.